Hi, my name is Rana Jaipal from Buzztronics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the error. Setup was unable to create a new system partition or locate an existing system partition. The same process applies to Windows 7, 8.1 and Windows 10. What I be doing is installing Windows from the hard drive instead of the USB drive or an installation disk. Make sure at this moment if any external drive is there, just unplug that from your PC, and if you are installing Windows from a USB or disk, leave that plugged in. Now at this moment press Shift plus F10. This will bring up the command prompt. Here type disk part and hit enter. Then type list disk, enter. This will list all hard drives connected to the PC. I only have one, so I am installing Windows to this hard drive which is of 60 gig disk 0. I need to select it by typing select disk 0 and hit enter. Now type clean to delete all information on that drive. Once done, type create partition primary. I'm gonna make this 5 gig, so I'm gonna type 5000. You can find all the commands below this video description. Now to format, just type format space fs equal to ntfs space quick for a quick format. Once the format is done, just type assign for assigning a drive letter. Then type active to make that partition usable. Now type list volume. This will list all partitions on drives. In this case I have my DVD drive and my newly created partition, that is drive letter C, which is of 6 GB. We just have created. What we gonna do is to copy the installation files from the disk to the C partition. If you are using a USB to install Windows, it's exactly the same process. Now go ahead and exit. Now change directory to the location where you have your Windows installation file. In this case the DVD drive letter E, so enter CD space E colon and hit enter. Now to copy all the files from your DVD to the C drive, just type xcopy space E colon space C colon /E /H/K and hit enter. This will copy the installation files from the DVD to the C partition. This could take some time, but once done, make sure to exit the installation disk and or USB, then type exit. This will reboot the machine. Now once it will reboot, you can see the Windows is installing. You need to be careful when installing Windows this way, because you have the installation partition here. As you see, disk 0 partition 1 is a 5 GB partition we created earlier, so we don't want to delete this. What we have to do is to select disk 0, that is the unallocated space, select it and then hit next. Now once Windows has been installed, we need to edit the bootloader to remove this black screen from coming up. To do that, just run cmd as administrator, click yes, and here type bcd edit, hit enter. Locate where it says description Windows setup under the bootloader. We need to use this identifier, so enter bcd edit space /delete space bracket open and that, and type the identifier number here and then bracket close and hit enter. Now once we restart, it will restart without giving you that black screen. on the bootloader. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Raina Jaipal. Kindly like and support my channel Buzztronics. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.